definitely say because of that, it's not very manageable. I don't find it manageable. Because you don't always get it right on your first pass. Y'all feel free to comment below if you think there is a better way to do this and you've used a product like this before. Because now I'm just using Q-tips to go take it back off. Because there's so much, I'm sorry, this isn't a Q-tip. This is a cotton bud. I'm literally taking it back off. Look at that. To reshape this area because it looks so bad. Look at all that gunk. It just looks terrible. Crumbs. It's got a lot of crumbs. Fallout crumbs. Now, here's what it will say. It actually, my eyebrows look pretty good. Kind of-ish. I mean, the main thing is you want to reinforce them. So here's something I'm learning. What if when you reinforce your brows instead of so much underneath, you just reinforce the front? Maybe that's all we truly need. Don't do all this back here. No, I like to. There we go. It's not helping. It's just getting worse, getting more crumbly. Yeah, I would say you can't let it dry, because what's happening is, as I'm trying to reshape it and kind of make it look a little better, it's just taking it off because it was already dry. And so now it's just removing it. That looks terrible, especially on the front of the eyebrow. It looks terrible, y'all. Look at all the little crumbs. Can y'all see all the little crumbs I'm having to get rid of? That is not a good product. So I'm sorry. Not only will I not recommend this, I would say don't get it. Now, I'm not saying that every product that has the 3 prongs, because like I said, I can't remember if it was Maybelline or L'Oreal. It's in one of my old videos. And I have mixed it in with other things, so I can't find it, because I was going to compare the two. But, yeah. I cannot get an actual little footy from this. A little. And I really should be able to build from this side piece like that. Back here. Okay, we're done. So all I would say this is good for is first pass only, and only in the front of the brows. It is not for building a line. You know, I saw them do it, so maybe it was it's something I'm doing. I'm always open to hear, no, Beth, it's you. It's just that you're not good. I can hear that. I can hear that about myself. I'm looking for a kind of, oh, I just came across a really pretty color for today. And it really matches what I'm wearing. I take what I have and just blend this into it. You know, I never see makeup artists do that on videos, because they'll get something new and you'll be like, try it on. They've already got something on. And I'm like, oh. Blend it in, because this is a purpley pink and I'm wearing the purpley pink. This is not L'Oreal. Just so you know. This is Maybelline's Superstay 24 color. And the color is so tiny I can barely see it. 125, very violet. And it's just like my Chanel, where you've got the lip product over here. You let it dry a bit. And on this side, it looks like, honestly, like a petroleum product, like a Vaseline stick, to be honest, to set it and cause moisturizer and make it shiny. What do y'all think of that? Did I do any product that I actually like today? I like that one. Where are we? Are we at our 12-minute mark? Did we seriously go over? Oh my gosh. We did. We went over. How did I go over? Because I kept having problems with that product. That's how. That really is disappointing to me, to be honest. It really is. So, what will I do about that? Put on some mascara. I'm not going to use an eyelash curler, and I am going to use a non-waterproof product. I think this is not waterproof. This is Man Eater by Tarte. I need to use this up because I don't remember when I bought this, which would tell you it's older. And that, you know, whenever you can't tell yourself when you bought a mascara, it's time to throw it out. But you can use it a couple times first. I know it wasn't that long ago, but like it wasn't like a year ago or anything. But it wasn't very, very recent either, like in the last month. And really, I would say you're dealing with your eyes, so really, I probably shouldn't even be using this because I don't know what month that was. I don't know if it's 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. I just know it's not a year old. It's probably not 5 months, probably a few months ago. And I'm just, giving myself some lashes. And of course, my little catty-wappy ones that like to go downward. They're doing that, both eyes. I've got eyelashes that I did not used to have that grow downward. And I have an Asian friend who told me the same exact thing is the trouble for all Asian women, that their eyelashes grow downward. I wonder if that means I've got Asian genes in my blood somewhere. Or y'all comment below if your eyelashes grow down. Is that a common thing, or is it a cultural thing? Like a genetic thing, you think? Because like some girls are born with just really long curly lashes. Like I've got an Armenian friend, hers are black, and an Indian friend, both of them, their lashes are like mink lashes. They are black, shiny silk, thick, full, and they do kind of go straight out instead of up. They have to use mascara too. And then most of my black girlfriends, they have either short or long, but they're almost always very nicely curled, like tightly curled. And then there's people like Makeup by Tiffany D who has all of the above. She has very long, they naturally, very long, like abnormally long. Like people look at them and go, did she do a treatment? And that's just the way they are. They're very, very long. And she's done no treatment. She's just born with them. And they also curl out very, very well. She doesn't need to use a eyelash curler. And when she puts mascara on, it just does not even look real. And what's really funny to me for thickness, I guess, sometimes she puts false lashes on. I'm like, why? Why would you even need to? That's Makeup by Tiffany D here on YouTube. She's the reason I got on YouTube, because one time I saw her eye on an Instagram ad, and or was it Facebook ad? Or, like a little teeny thing promoting her channel, and I clicked on it. I was like, whose eyes are those? And they were hers. And it's because the color smoky eye that she did, it was a brown smoky eye, and it was beautiful. Never seen somebody do such a great job. And I couldn't get over her lashes. And that's what got me going, YouTube, what's a YouTube? Okay, so there they are. What do y'all think? That and my brows. I'm just like, what happened? Oh, by the way, if anybody's wondering about my eyeshadow, this is from Dior, and I think it's called Truly Violet. Is that right? Is the Dior eyeshadow? Hell, I should have brought that in here. I've got a mixture of both a peach and a pink on my blush, so that's interesting to me now that I've put on pink lipstick. I probably should kind of highlight the pink blush a little bit more. There we go. Let's just do that. I'm using my Sigma Beauty Sigma Blush Cheek Palette, and I'm just going to use a little kind of more concentrated, actually I think this is for highlighter, brush. This is a Morphe brush. I'm just going to kind of put the pink a little on top of that orangey look so it doesn't look so orangey, because it just feels like it doesn't go now. A little on the bridge of my nose, and a little on the top of my chin, and a little right here on the forehead so it looks like I've got a little sun. Just right on the top. You can blend it through if you want. Or in fact, I probably should. And then now it's too pink. So what can you do? Go ahead and just take regular powder if you get too pink. Just kind of go over it. See how I just kind of tone that down just a little bit? Just using regular powder and going over that a little bit so it's not so bright. Same thing here, same thing here. There, and that's that powder right next to it right there. It's kind of like a pink cream colored powder, so it kind of just calms things down. And that's what we just did. So that's it. I hope y'all are enjoying your weekend, because I'm fixing to go print some sheets for my daddy, and I'm going to go enjoy mine with him, and I will talk to y'all later. Y'all, it smells so good in here from these two candles. I cannot even tell you. This one right behind me is a Capri Blue. I love Capri Blue candles, but this is one of the small ones. It's called Pumpkin Dolce. Bougie Parfumée Candle Fragrance Candle. 226 grams, 8 ounces. And that is that. So I will put that out. And then I will put this one out. Suffocate them. Make sure it does in fact suffocate them. Make sure they're both out. And then I'm ready to go. Rock and roll. I feel like my hair did really good today, didn't it? It's still not got the layers I wanted from the lady that I asked to do it. It's not the layers I wanted, but I do like it better than it was. Now where are we? 23. So see, we are about where we should be. So let's just be a part 1 and a part 2. Again, about this, the Maybelline 24 color. I'm really loving that. I'm wanting to go back to that. On these two products, the MAC Eye Response Cream and the ROC Smooth Anti-Wrinkle Treatment #1, which is the Retinol Correction Max. And this product, which is from M. King Pretty Eyebrow Contouring, it would be a no. So anyway, I hope that that is something that you find helpful and fun today, and go enjoy your day. Make the best of it. Be safe. Wear a mask if you go out. And I love you guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!